If the world was saying to me gonna be next to you, I wanna hold you just for a while and time with my heart. If the world was saying I'm gonna be next to you. I'll just walk up from the tree. You know, no sense. Whatever you do, that's where I follow. I know where this promise tomorrow. I'll never look like this last night. Like this last night. If the world was saying to you, I'm gonna be next to you. If the world was so fun, a long time and nothing was true. I wanna hold you just for a while. And somehow it's more. If the world was everything I need. Saglit na lang to view. 3 minutes para 30 minutes. 3 minutes. 3 minutes more guys. Para mag 30 minutes. 3 minutos para 30 minutos ang nalalabi guys. Team Midnight, thank you. Team Salute, thank you so much. Yeah. Thank you for the love and support. Yeah. Full support, brother Marup. Thank you. I wanna hold you just for a while. And somehow it was my heart. And hope the world was something I'll be next to. Next to. It's true. Whenever you get it, where I follow. I know that it's promise tomorrow. Like I said last night, if tomorrow is something, I'm gonna be next to you. Just for a while, inside, it is my home. Okay, isang minuto na lang guys para 30 minutes. Thank you so much. Team Midnight, thank you. Yes, Brother Marup, thank you so much. Idol Victoria, Lods Kappa, Lods Midnight, 24/7, thank you. Queen Ella, thank you so much. All those giving me thumbs up guys, thank you so much. Maraming salamat. Lods Midnight. Mag-ano na ako maya 30 minutes lang to para Lods Midnight, thank you. Salamat talaga sa thumbs up.